thought I would shoot a little video. This is the kitchen, really small. Um, but they used to have the hot water tanks in the corner of the cabinets where you could not access them, so that's what that's all about there. This one, they moved it to a closet in the hallway. This is the kitchen sink. I noticed that one is draining into another one, and then there's actually, I think, there's a unit above, and I think that this pipe is probably the drain pipe for the 2 units above. So it looks like you got a T thing here, whatever. So it drains on one side for one unit's kitchen, and then on this side for this unit's kitchen. Appears like all of the colds, I think. Where are the colds coming from here? I see them come up in the shower. I don't see them here yet. But anyway, looking at possibly taking out the little coat closet that's there in that corner to give more room to the kitchen. And I'm expecting to cut this wall down and do a bar into the living room. So this is the coat closet that's going to go out. There is a closet at the end of this hall that currently holds the hot water tank. I'm expecting to go with a smaller size, like the 2-point whatever washers and dryers. I'm still not certain it will fit in this closet, or if it meets the other restrictions that you mentioned, like 10 feet from the toilet or tub. The bathroom is right there. There's the toilet. I bet it's probably about 10 feet. It's close. Then just to the left of the bathroom is this little closet, which isn't big enough for a washer or dryer, I don't believe. One thought I had was turning the tub into just like a shower only, with making it not 5 feet but 36 feet wide. But moving that closet over and shortening up the tub, you have these two pipes on either side that kind of pose a problem with that. So I think this unit drains into the one on the right, and the upstairs unit drains into the one on the left here. And then this here is where the cold water comes up, and then it elbows underneath that 2x4. It elbows over and comes up into the shower right here. I do not understand why they have two valves on the cold side, but and then this is the hot water going up, and then it goes over to the bathroom vanity and down to supply that. And I noticed the vanity drain line down here goes over and connects into the main stack here for the toilet. The bathroom's actually bigger than that sixplex bathrooms were, but if this was a little easier to configure, I would probably try to just incorporate this closet into the bathroom and move the move the door to the bathroom out here. That would get us the room. There you can see where it elbows. It's a cold elbowing over to the line that connects to the shower valves. The other thought I had that you kind of nixed when you said had to be 10 feet from the tub is this bedroom closet. I think the depth is easily there, but the tub is right behind that wall. So now one thought I had is if we took a drain and went straight down and connected it like at the floor level of the downstairs is the laundry room, which is where some of the pipes come into and then run through the room itself, which I'm going to go down and take a video. But and can they connect 10 feet below the tub and be good? And then venting, I don't know how venting's going to work, but that's a shot of the unit and what possibilities I think we've got.